Well, hi, I'm Francoz, Director of Product at ViRTEK. At ViRTEK, we've been doing laser projection solutions to guide templating for over 35 years. 17,000 units in service. And a very common application which is used for laser templating is Composite Layout. We do a lot to make Composite Layout more consistent, more efficient, and captured as logs and data whenever activities are taking place. So there's a recorded history that can be referenced at any time and reported on in the future. Composite Layup is a critical part in the process of building these parts. We have upstream processes such as kitting and downstream processes such as autoclave curing, which are all affected by the timeline of the delivery of layups from the Composite Layup station. Maybe that's a good time for Avner to speak to what he does.
Thanks, Sean, appreciate it. Avner Ben-Bassat, I'm the CEO of Plataine. We are a software company and we specialize in production, automation, and optimization. We deal with issues like materials tracking and flow, production planning, tools management, and alike, with a very strong emphasis on composites and the challenges we see in a composites workshop. We're partners with Vertek, and the goal here is to integrate our software with the laser projectors. As Sean said, the layup process is a critical step. Most companies today don't have very good visibility into it. So by integrating the software to the layup process, first we give production team, production supervisors, management visibility into the process, what started, what's not, how we're doing, progress. More important, we integrate that into the ongoing process. We can then use the data for better scheduling, downstream or upstream. If a given layup process is taking longer than expected, should we hold back the autoclave? Or perhaps should we hold back kitting beforehand? So autoclave scheduling as another big problem to solve is highly influenced by that as well. And finally, of course, the digital thread. At the end of this, we have full traceability, which kit on which tool, by which operator, how long it took, how it went, and any quality parameters. So the joint solution really gives better visibility, better planning and flexibility on the production floor, and the hardware-software integration gives this very unique effect.
Is this a hard system to establish? Is this something hard to implement in a shop?
Well, with the integration complete, obviously the manufacturer has to have deployed ViRTEK solution, our typical Iris 3D and our VPS1 projectors, and to have deployed the TPO system from Plataine. And then of course, we take care of the integration on the back end.
The message here to the market is a standard interface. So there's no excess, no extra integration work. The software and the hardware elements come integrated and then ready to use.
Is this something just for big companies, or is this something that small companies can take advantage of as well?
Big or small? I mean, if you have one projector or 100, yeah?
Every company is trying to manage many parallel workflows and struggling to schedule a lot of work that's interdependent and with effects upstream and downstream as schedules shift around. So there's a lot of benefit at every sort of scale.
Definitely.